So welcome students. In this question, given sine inverse of x by 5 plus cosecant inverse of 5 by 4 is equal to pi by 2. In that case, you are asked to find the value of x. So it is a question based on the identity of inverse trigonometric functions, which is sine inverse of x plus cos inverse of x is equal to pi by 2. You have an identity which says this. So let us convert this into some sort of this equation. So sine inverse of x by 5 plus cosecant inverse of 5 by 4 can be written as sine inverse of 4 by 5 is equal to pi by 2. So this implies sine inverse of x by 5 plus sine inverse of 4 by 5. So if you see, so if this is theta, if sine is 4 by 5, so the adjacent side becomes 3. So this can be written as cos inverse of adjacent side by hypotenuse, which is 3 by 5 is equal to pi by 2. So sine inverse of something plus cos inverse of something is equal to pi by 2. Then these two have to be same. If sine inverse of something plus cos inverse of something is equal to pi by 2, these two arguments have to be same. So sine inverse of x by 5 plus cos inverse of 3 by 5 is equal to pi by 2. This implies x by 5 has to be equal to 3 by 5. This implies x is equal to 3. So that's the answer to this question. Thank you.